In this video, we will solve a question on profit maximization in case of monopoly and perfect competition. Question is, if demand function of a monopolist is P is equal to 100 minus 3Q, P is the price, Q is the output, and if average cost is equal to marginal cost, which is equal to $10, find out profit maximizing value of output in monopoly and in perfect competition. Actually, it is profit maximizing value of output and price. Okay, we have to find out what will be the optimal price and output in monopoly and in perfect competition. Okay, let's take first monopoly into consideration. In case of monopoly, profit maximization condition, we know profit maximization requires marginal revenue should be equal to marginal cost. Okay, so first calculate the marginal revenue. We are being given P is equal to 100 minus 3Q. To find the marginal revenue, first we need to find out the total revenue, which is simply equal to price into output, so which is equal to 100 minus 3Q. To this we multiply Q, so our total revenue function becomes 100Q minus 3Q square, and marginal revenue is nothing but the derivative of total revenue function with respect to output. So taking derivative of this function with respect to Q, derivative of Q is 1, so we are left with 100. Derivative of Q square is 2Q, so 2 into 3 is 6Q. Okay, so profit maximization will require marginal revenue should be equal to marginal cost. Marginal revenue is 100 minus 6Q, it should be equal to marginal cost, if that is being given us as 10. That gives us 6Q is equal to 100 minus 10 is 90, dividing both sides by 6, so Q will be equal to 15. So output produced in monopoly will be equal to 15, and at a price of, to find out the price, simply plug Q is equal to 15 into the demand function here. Okay, so P will be equal to 100 minus 3 into 15, so we will get P is equal to 100 minus 45, which comes out to be 55. Okay, this is the profit maximization price and output in case of monopoly. Okay, so graphically it will look like this. If we have output here, price on this side, so if this is our demand function, okay, our average revenue function, we have the marginal revenue function here. Then let me use another color. Marginal cost is 10. Okay, this is our marginal revenue function, so marginal revenue is equal to marginal cost. Output is 15, corresponding to the price of 55. Okay, now in case of perfect competition, profit maximization condition is price should be equal to the marginal cost. Okay, price is our demand function, so P, in place of P I can write 100 minus 3Q should be equal to marginal cost, which is 10. Solving for Q, so 3Q is equal to 90, which gives us Q is equal to, dividing both sides by 3, we will get 30. Okay, output produced in perfect competition is 30 at a price of, we know price is equal to marginal cost. So price will be equal to marginal cost, which is equal to 10 here. Okay, graphically it simply means in case of perfect competition, we have output on this side, price on this side. If this is our demand function, okay, marginal cost is constant, which is 10, which is MC, so profit maximization occurs where price is equal to marginal cost. So we have 30 units produced at a price of $10, and here you can see in case of monopoly we have less output and high price, and in case of a perfect competition we have more output at a lower price. I hope I make myself clear in this video. Thank you.